Hi, this is Laura, and I'm doing this short video to show you guys a product that I am so thrilled with right now. All right, I am just so excited because I am literally being able to pull out of the hundreds of pictures that I have in drawers, and I have a bunch of pictures in a box. I'm able to pick through them and pick out my favorite photos, and I'm actually able to display them all over my I have two refrigerators and a stand-up freezer. And it's just, they're magnetic sleeves that I bought on Amazon. And let me show you what these are. They come in a box. They come in all different sizes, 4x6, 5x7, 8x10s. This one here is the 5x7s, which is what I've used so far right now, but I haven't used the 4x6 yet. And I want to show you exactly how these work. Very important, when you first take them out of the box, there is a thin plastic coating on top that you have to peel off. What it actually is, it's like a scratch protector. Some people in the reviews say they had a hard time getting it off, but it's really very easy. You take your fingernail, you scrape a corner like this. You just scrape the edge. You see the plastic now? You see it starting to peel? And then you just pull it. Look, and it comes right off. So this is a magnetic sleeve, all right? The magnet is super strong. And it has a big pocket. This is a 5x7 that you just slide the picture in. I mean, these are wonderful. Let me show you what these look like on my refrigerator. Okay, so here they are. This is my freezer. This is one of my refrigerators. They look absolutely beautiful and so strong. Like, even if you try, you take your fingers and you try so hard, you know, to even move it and budge it, it won't even budge. Okay? That is how strong they are. And you can set these up all over anything with a metal surface, you know, because these are magnetic. And what's nice is you can put pictures horizontally, vertically. I mean, it's just a wonderful product, okay? And my entire channel is basically going to be about my life experiences. I'm almost 60 years old, so I've experienced a lot in life, and helpful tips and products I bought that I'm super happy with. I included a link at the bottom in the description underneath this video. It is an affiliate link, and I do make a small commission if you click on the link and make a purchase. But these are actually amazing. And the link, it goes to the actual seller that I purchased from on Amazon. By the way an affiliate link works, it doesn't cost you anything extra to click on the affiliate link. But basically what it does is it lets the retailer know that I referred you over. So I end up making like a small commission, and those small commissions enable me to keep producing more and more videos. Also, if this product, you know, if you enjoyed this video and this product is helpful to you, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel, it would be greatly appreciated, because that also helps me to grow my channel on YouTube. Anyway, yeah, what an amazing product. It unsticks so easy, comes right off, and then you just go and you just stick it right back on. You can open it. The beautiful thing is they don't move. Okay, I mean, they literally do not budge. So like, you could open and close the door, you know, as many times as you want. You never have to worry. Oh, and because the sleeve is nice and snug as well, the pictures, they don't fall out. I mean, like, they don't get dirty. You know, your pictures are protected completely. They don't get dust on them. They don't get fingerprints on them. They don't get damaged in any way. This is a super affordable way to display your photos without spending a fortune on all these little frames that you have to make room for all over your house. I mean, I just can't tell you how thrilled I am, okay, to actually found this product. I mean, these are pictures that have been sitting in boxes for years that I'm finally able to actually pull out and enjoy. Also includes recent pictures as well. that I haven't had a chance yet to get a frame for. Anyway, it's just wonderful. It's a great way to use up the space on your refrigerator or your freezer. I mean, if you're like me, you got 2 refrigerators, because I hate living with 1 refrigerator. But anyway, so, well, thank you very much for watching the video. And again, there is a link to this product in the description, my affiliate link. All right, I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye-bye.